Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the top bathroom remodeling tips, specifically for San Francisco homes. Remodeling your bathroom should be exciting. We're here to share practical tips and design ideas to help you create a bathroom that's both beautiful and built to last. So, grab a cup of coffee, get comfy, and let's get started. Before we tear down any walls or pick out tile, let's talk about the foundation of any successful renovation: planning and budgeting. First things first, determine your budget. Knowing your financial limits from the get-go will save you from heartache later. Consider this your renovation roadmap, guiding you towards materials and design choices that fit your vision without breaking the bank. Create a list of must-haves and nice-to-haves to help you prioritize during the design phase. San Francisco's charming fog might be iconic, but all that moisture in the air can wreak havoc on a bathroom if you're not careful. That's why choosing the right materials is crucial for a bathroom that stands the test of time. Porcelain and ceramic tiles are classic choices. For a touch of warmth, consider moisture-resistant wood-look tiles. They offer the charm of real wood with added practicality. Make sure your bathroom has a good exhaust fan to prevent mold and mildew. When choosing paint, opt for mildew-resistant formulas, especially for ceilings. San Francisco is known for its commitment to sustainability, and your bathroom can reflect those values. Eco-friendly fixtures not only benefit the planet, but can also save you money on your utility bills. Low-flow toilets use significantly less water than traditional models, making them a smart choice for the environmentally conscious homeowner. Look for the WaterSense label to ensure you're choosing a high-efficiency option. WaterSense labeled faucets and shower heads can drastically reduce your water usage without sacrificing water pressure. You can further enhance your water savings by installing a dual flush toilet. Many San Francisco homes boast charm and character, but often come with the quirks of smaller bathrooms. With clever storage solutions, you can maximize every inch of your bathroom. Think vertically. Instead of bulky vanities, consider floating shelves or wall-mounted cabinets. Utilize the space above the toilet with a sleek shelving unit for towels and toiletries. Stylish hooks provide a convenient spot for towels and robes, while shower caddies keep your toiletries organized and within reach. For a clutter-free look, opt for recessed storage niches built into the shower walls. When it comes to turning your bathroom dreams into reality, enlisting the help of experienced professionals is key, especially in a city like San Francisco. Local contractors and designers understand the unique building codes and permit requirements, making the renovation process smoother and more efficient. Start by asking friends, family, and neighbors for recommendations. Once you've compiled a list of potential contractors, be sure to check their licenses and insurance to ensure they meet all the necessary requirements. Don't be afraid to ask for detailed quotes and timelines from each contractor. Choose professionals who are responsive to your questions and keep you informed throughout the process. Thanks for watching. We hope these tips have empowered you to tackle your San Francisco bathroom remodel with confidence. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home improvement advice. Let us know in the comments what your dream bathroom looks like. And remember, every great renovation starts with a vision. See you next time.